Exercise 4.1, question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. See, this is the situation given to you. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. So, here you take breadth of the plot is equal to breadth. Let breadth is equal to x meters. So, what will be length? 1 more than twice its breadth. That means 1 more than twice its breadth. This is the length. And given that the area is 528. What is area? Area is length into breadth. So, area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 528. It is given to you. That means length is breadth is x, length is 1 plus 2x, that is breadth into length 528. This is equal to, you will get like an equation like this: x into x, x into 2x, 2x square plus x, then shift this 528 to this side, minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. In this question, the product of two consecutive positive integers, that means two integers, consecutive means next തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള integers. Positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. That means you can take the integers as x and x plus 1. So, let the integers be x and x plus 1. Okay. Consecutive integers means for example 5 and 6 consecutive integers. That means next numbers are ഒരെണ്ണം കഴിഞ്ഞ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള number. That is the meaning of consecutive. Okay. And the question is the product. That means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306 is equal to, you will get an equation like this: x square plus x then minus 306 is equal to 0. Question number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's percentage. Now, see, we want to find out Rohan's percentage. You just take Rohan's percentage be x. Okay, Rohan's percentage x years. Okay. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So, what is mother's percentage? Mother's percentage 26 years older. That means x plus 26. Yes. The product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years. So, after 3 years, what is Rohan's age? Right. Because after the condition given is given here is after 3 years നെ പറ്റിയിട്ടാണ് കണ്ടീഷൻ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. Rohan's age. After 3 years, Rohan's age means x plus 3. That means ഇപ്പോൾ 10 years ആണെങ്കിൽ then after 3 years 10 plus 3 13. Like that, if it is now it is x, then after 3 years that is x plus 3 years. Then mother's age also you should find. Mother's age after 3 years. That is also, now her age is x plus 26 plus 3, that is equal to x plus 29. Okay, what is the condition given here? The product of their ages 3 years from now. That means the product of these two. That means x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. That is given to you. Now expand this. Then you will get here x into x, x square plus 29 x plus x into 3, 3x plus 29 into 3, which is 87 is equal to 360. It is equal to x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. It is equal to x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Sub question 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. See, this question is a speed, distance, time related question. And the speed in two cases given to you. That means a usual speed of the train and the decreased speed also given to you. In this type of question, you should convert the speed in terms of time in both cases. Why we should convert in terms of time? Because we have given a time relation given to us. That is why we have to convert in terms of time. Okay, in the first case, usual speed of the train be x km per hour, then distance is equal to 480, that is given to us, and we know time is equal to distance by speed. Using that formula, you can take time is equal to 480 by x hours. Okay, then second case, speed is equal to x minus 8 km per hour, distance is given to you, that is the same distance, time is equal to 480 by x minus 8 hours. Then the next thing is very important. Here the difference in time is given to you. In which case you get more time? If speed is less, then time taken will be more. Very important thing, if speed is less, then time taken will be more. In these two cases, this case has more time taken than this. That means you have to subtract this from this, because here the time taken is more. അതിൽ നിന്നും മറ്റേത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഏതിനാണോ കൂടുതൽ ടൈം എടുത്തത് അതിൽ നിന്നും മറ്റേത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാം. That means 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. Then you can take here 480 common take a common factor 480. Then 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x left inside is equal to 3. Then here you can take LCM here. ഇവിടെ LCM നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാം. 480 into, here the LCM is x into x minus 8. Okay, x into x minus 8. പിന്നെ ഈ എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് എക്സ്. അവിടെയാണ്, അതാണ് ആ എക്സിന് മൈനസ്. അനദർ തിങ്, ഒരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൊരു ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് ഇവിടെ. എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് വെച്ചാൽ മൈനസ് ആവുന്ന സമയത്ത് യു ഹാവ് ടു പുട്ട് എ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഹിയർ. ഇവിടെ എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8 വരും. ഇതെങ്ങനെയാണ് കിട്ടുന്ന ഈ എക്സും എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8ഉം? ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ എൽ സി എം. ഈ എൽ സി എത്തിനെ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക്, അതായത് എക്സ് ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8, ഞാൻ എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? എക്സ് ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8നെ എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് എക്സ്. ആ എക്സാണിത്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ സിമിലർലി ഇഫ് യു ഡിവൈഡ് എക്സ് ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8 ബൈ എക്സ്, ദെൻ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ആ എൽ സി എപ്പോഴും എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. 480, open the bracket here, x 6 plus 8 by x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Cross multiply, that is, this can be cancelled. That is equal to 480 into 8, 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 24x. Okay, then you can take that side, 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. Here in this, this is the quadratic equation, but in this quadratic equation 3 is a common factor. So you can divide this equation throughout by 3 to make that equation into a simplified form. Then while dividing throughout by 3, you will get x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation.